I'm out here with the chickens and I want to share a really cool piece of hardware that I found that has been solving a problem for me that I just keep having over and over again. The issue that I keep having is with this barrel bolt latch right here. The problem with this is that it sees a lot of use. So when I'm opening and closing the door, it's banging on the ground. The hinge on the bottom right here comes a little loose and I have to retighten it, or it just starts to bend and sag a little bit. Additionally, we just had a big rain and it's really swollen right now. And so when it's swollen like this, not only is this one short underneath where it's supposed to be going, but it's also out from where it's supposed to be going in. So in two different directions, it is not properly lined up. So after about the third time of adjusting this thing, I was thinking to myself, maybe we could make this adjustable somehow. And I was starting to think of ways to do it, but before I did, I thought maybe someone's already thought of that. So this thing is called a Just Lock. It's just a great improvement on your average barrel bolt lock that they sell at the hardware store. Let me show you how it works. So the first thing they did with this thing is put the latch on a bracket. So it moves up and down like this. And that really gives just enough movement to deal with any drooping or sagging you have from your hinges on your door. The second thing they did was flare out the inlet here. That really makes a big difference if the door swells or starts to lean out at all. It compensates for that a lot. The third thing they did was make the barrel actually more like a flathead screwdriver, so it has a little bit of give just to sort of get in the latch if it becomes a little bit too far off center. As you can see here, they just sort of shaved off a little bit from the end to make it slide in a little smoother. So we've had this thing on here for about 4 to 5 months and we haven't had to make any adjustments to it. It's been really great. What do you think, chicken? If you're using these regular barrel bolt latches, I would say just skip it entirely and get this adjust latch right here. It's so much better. It is about, I think, 3 times as expensive, but it's really worth it because I've had to change that thing so many times and I haven't had to make any adjustments to this thing so far. Of course, I will put a link for this in the description and hopefully this will save you guys some headaches in the future as it did me.